Good morning and Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. I am your teacher from the Educators FM campus. Students, take out your English workbook, page number 20. Page number 20, English workbook. Okay, now look at the first question. Fill in the missing letters to form meaningful words. Clue, you can find the words in the story in your textbooks. Number 1, P dash S dash A dash E. The word is passage. P-A-S-S-A-G-E. Passage. Coming towards the second one, S dash dash T dash N. The word is Sultan. So S-U-L-T-A-N. Sultan. Dash U-A dash D. The word is guard. G-U-A-R-D. Guard. Treasure. The word is treasure. T-R-E-A-S-U-R-E. Treasure. Coming toward the fifth one, the word is reward. R-E-W-A-R-D. Reward. The next word is punish. P-U-N-I-S-H. Punish. Okay students, now do it by yourself. Coming towards the next question, fill in the blanks with AR words from the box below. And your options are art, arm, car, duck, farm, park, shark, star. Look at the first one. Bushra is driving her car. She saw rows of corn when she drove by the farm. Last night we saw a bright dash in the sky, star. Ali took his dog for a walk in the park. Thank goodness you did not break your dash when you fell arm. In dash class, I painted a picture of a snake in art class. Please keep the lights on because I am afraid of the dark. A dash with big teeth swam in the ocean, shark. Now coming toward the page number 21. Write the OU words given below in the correct boxes. These are your clues: clouds, shout, house, loud, doubt, out, mouth, round. Now you have to fill these words in the columns. This is your homework. Page number 21 is your homework. Now moving toward page number 22. Circle at the picture or look at the picture below and fill in the blanks using is means is or ARER. This is the picture. As you can see, we have to fill the blanks with is or are. There dash a park near my house. There is a park near my house. There dash a pond in the park. There is a pond in the park. There dash many trees in the park. There are many trees in the park. Two boys and a girl dash sailing in a boat. Two boys and a girl are sailing in a boat. The girls dash walking around the park. The girls are walking around the park. A dash is a dash. A lady dash walking with her dog. A lady is walking with her dog. A boy dash flying a kite in the park. A boy is flying a kite in the park. Two birds are tripping on a tree. Two ducks are swimming in the pond. All the children are happily playing in the park. Now coming toward the page number 23 class. Match the sounds. These are your sounds and these are your objects. As you can see, the tinkle, the ring, the beat, the ticking, the booming, and the objects of a drum, of a gun, of glass, of a bell, of a clock. The tinkle of a glass, it's a sound of a glass. The ring, it's a sound of a bell. The beat, it's a sound of a drum. The ticking clock, booming gun, we will match like this: tinkle, glass, ring, bell, beat, drum, ticking, clock, booming, gun. The sentences below have nouns which are either common nouns or proper nouns. Underline the common nouns and circle the proper nouns. Okay students, you have to do this by yourself. The first one I will tell you, my friends Ramsha has a new pet dog. Ramsha is a proper noun, so we will circle Ramsha. And the dog is a common noun, so we will underline the dog. The cows are grazing in the field. Cows are the common noun and field is also a common noun, so we will underline both of them. Mrs. Bose is my aunt. Mrs. Bose. Bose is a proper noun, so we will circle it. Now you have to do this by yourself. Okay class. Add s to make many from once. If we add s in a word, it becomes many. As you can see, it's a nose. When we add s, it will become noses. Horse, add s, it will become horses. Toy, toys. Window, windows. Toe, toes. Fruit, fruits. Elbow, elbows. Knee, knees. Horn, horns. Clock, clocks. Month, months. Tree, trees. Okay now class, this was the end of your today's lesson. I will meet you in the next class. Till then, take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.